But if adopted around the world, it may also be a key to save the world from pollution.
So great things are always happening on the other side of the world, which we are yet to understand fully. Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Parts Talk. Today I have a video feature here from TikTok, of course. But let me start off by saying, open your window. There's a big world out there. These are words that were made famous by Sakichi Toyoda, which is the founder of Toyota. I wanted to start it off with that phrase because it's something that I want to keep reminding myself time after time after time while working in this industry. Now, there are so much more players in the automotive industry doing great things. However, most of our stories in this space are centered on things happening here in the north. We have auto theft, we have price gouging, we have dealership absorptions happening at a very fast pace. We have part shortages, we have supply chain problems, catalyst converter theft, which is the latest one, and the list seems exhausting. Then we have the electric phenomenon. EVs are being designed to be the mainstay going forward. However, I have a lot of issues with EVs right now mainly because of affordability. However, it is always refreshing to see what's going on the other side of the world, hence which is why I'm going to show you this video. This video is entitled "We Don't Need Oil," and it's going to explain to you why. Let's get right into it.
It almost seems too good to be true. But in the city of Lahore, some motorcyclists already run their bike on water. In 2012, Pakistani inventor Agha Vakar Ahmed created a water kit, making it possible to drive a car almost completely on water. His idea was picked up and adapted for the motorcycle by Kamer Zaman, who sells his water kits in a way that is accessible for everyone. The kit consists of a cylindrical jar for the water, electrodes, wires to be attached to the engine's battery, and a hose leading to the engine. The apparatus uses electrolysis to convert water into HHO gas, which can be used as fuel in any unmodified gas engine. The invention is a huge improvement for the Pakistan residents, who often have to stand in line at the gas station for hours.
Now imagine converting this for cars, and this, unfortunately, it can only work in tropical countries on these bikes because it's always winter where we are. So you can't utilize this great innovation right here where I reside. I'm so sad about this right now.
Not only does the accessible water kit make a difference financially, but if adopted around the world, it may also be a key to save the world from pollution.
So great things are always happening on the other side of the world, which we're yet to understand fully. Because of technology now, we're able to see it, and I thank the makers of TikTok over and over again, exposing us to what can be, what should have been, and what we should be doing. Now, having one of these bikes and living in a big city here in North America would make a lot of sense overall. However, the limitations are still there. We just have to find a way how to harness these innovations to make it work for us. And again, men always find a way to make things work, even though we may have caused a problem in the beginning, but there are always solutions to every problem. So, in closing, I will need your support in continuing to bring you reviews from all over the auto world. Subscribing will motivate me to continue to do so. Remember to grab a copy of my ebook, The Parts Manager Guide, and smash that like button on your way out. It will only take you 1.5 seconds to do so. Until next time.